Ooh, I love when I get parts. So what do we have here? I know what it is, but I wanted to show you guys. I had to rip it open first because it was such a mess. Da, 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 da. Woohoo! You know what this is, don't you? Some nice tank holders. I'll give you a little tip. Put those here off to the side. And what do we got here? We got some stuff. Cold fusion nitrous. Huh? How do you like that? Cold fusion nitrous. Just in case you guys don't know or anybody there. And now check this out. Oh yeah. Now my car goes faster. Bum, bum, da, da. Cold fusion nitrous. Nice. But here is the real star of the show. This thing. This is the real star of the show. I'm going to get this unwrapped. Hold on a sec. Now, honestly, isn't this one of the nicest tanks you've ever seen? Huh? 15-pound tank? Woohoo! You know what? This kit by Cold Fusion was an awesome price, and that's why I got it. Because to me, this racing is all about cheap stuff, okay? So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on, because I don't know if the Mustang can handle anything else. If you notice, she's up in the air and getting some work done, but look at that beautiful tank. Nitrous oxide, boys and girls. Nitrous oxide. Oh, there's my jets. I'm really excited about this. Okay, I'll put it on something, I promise. Anyway, guys, you take care and be safe.